Okay, we're here. What I thought I would do is um, let's let's talk about the long jump and just to, let's just reiterate why in the long jump it's all in the gravity. It's all in the gravity. How much time you spend in the air, and with a human body, and with a human body, it's we're going to follow your center mass. So if you're running along, try and draw somebody running here. So this person's running along, okay? He's running along. He's got a velocity. Let's say he's moving out pretty quick. Um, oh, this. I can't turn on this stupid calculator. I hate this calculator. Say 18 times 0.4. It's running along at about 8 meters per second, 8.1 meters per second. Okay, and this is in the x direction. All right, and then he's going to take off. And let's just find his center of mass right here, and we'll do everything from his center, from this stick figure center of mass. So he takes off. Boom. He's converting, due to his taking off, he is converting his, and he's giving himself an extra burst of speed. And let's say he goes at that optimum angle of 34 degrees, which is the optimum angle. Here's what his, as we're going through, here's what his vector would look like. He gets a little boom. He pushes off, so he gives himself a little burst. Let's say it's 8.5 meters per second now going this way. It also has this component. When you draw a vector, when you draw something cattywampus like that in physics, here's the vector, and for us to be able to work with it, we got two options. We can either rotate everything like this, but if I rotate everything to where this is straight, then all of a sudden this thing goes below the horizon, or it becomes difficult. So let's just say this is an 8.5 meters per second vector going this way, and I can break it down into its two pieces. This is where I was failing to. All right, now already I'm getting people. Your eyes are glassing over. You're saying, "What the hell is he doing? Why are we doing this? This is bullshit. This is what I signed up for at all." He's going off on it. Yeah, no, this is what you signed up for. You know why? Because you're smart and you want to learn. So I guess I shouldn't use the BS word. I apologize. Anybody out there? I'm sorry. I got to watch my salty language. When I get enthused about something, sometimes I kind of go off the deep end there. But now what happens is this guy V naught x is going to stay the same the entire flight as we follow his center of mass. So let's break it down. Let's do it one more time. So we're going to follow his center of mass. Now V naught x is going to be the same here. However, V naught Vy is changing. It's getting smaller. V naught x is going to be the same here at the very height, but this is where V naught Vy is going to equal 0, is at the maximum height. Okay? V naught x is going to stay the same. V naught x is going to stay the same even when he hits, but when he hits, this will be back to negative V naught y in the y direction. All right? And so we'll just slide this vector over here is what we do. And there's the final vector at 8.5 meters per second in an ideal world coming down that way. Okay? That's why I'm saying it's all in the gravity. And so the hang time, the time that he's in the air, the time that the time that they're in the air all depends on Vy and the acceleration due to gravity. Okay? So we know that the time he's in the air, we know the initial velocity. Remember when we did that little factoring? So we've got the initial velocity in the y direction. We know the final velocity is going to be negative of the initial velocity. So, well, let me just show you what that would look like on here real quick. Let me just show you let me get my good calculator. I'm going to pause right here. And I hope you come back and watch the second part of this. We are definitely delving into the Physics 210, Physics 240 engineering world here. But this is just, I think another part of this class is so that we appreciate what is going on. And then I'm also going to give a mini lesson. 12 is going to be a complete departure from anything in physics and sport, because a very, very significant thing happened in physics this week or last week, and you need to know about it, and you need to be asked about it, and it's just part of who we are as human beings, wanting to know what the heck this universe is like. All right, so anyway, a lot of stuff going on, very fun. Let me see if I can get my stupid mouse to work so I can click